In this video, I'll show you how to use C++ in Replit. The first thing you need to do is go to your Replit dashboard. On the left side, click on Explore More, then select Developer Frameworks. From the list, find C++ and click on it. Then click on Remix to create a new project. You can give your project a name, for example, Test, and add a short description if you want. You can also choose whether to make it public or private. I'll select public so anyone can view and fork the app. Once you're done, click on Use Framework. Replit will now create a new C++ project for you. When the setup is complete, open the Tools and Files menu on the left side and click the plus icon. In the search bar, type C and then find filemain.cpp. Now you can start writing your C++ code in this file. You can also drag the console panel to one side so you can view your code and the output together. Once your code is ready, click the green Run button in the top left corner. The program will compile and run automatically. As you can see, it prints Hello World in the console, which means everything is working perfectly. And that's it. That's how you can set up and run C++ code in Replit. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more Replit and coding tutorials.